This morning we're here with Scott Lum from Outcast Sport Fishing Charters and Corey from Tackle Crafters, and we're headed offshore to have some fun.
We might be like one and done here. Oh, see if we got one or two baits.
I think you got a couple of them in there. Oh my God, dude, it's over, bro. It's over, baby.
Scales everywhere.
Yep. Yeah, we need more than this. When we're out here trying to get bait, you want to have the net loaded and ready. You know, when you see them flipping, they're either throwing flips, or we look at the bottom machine, and the bottom machine will just black out. And because your transducers, wherever your transducer at, some people have their transducer forward, you have to almost not be moving at all, very slowly. You throw the net, and then you have a chance to get them. If your boat's moving too fast, and you throw on what you see on the screen, you're passing that. So you have to be moving very slowly. But if it's a gigantic mark, like we've been having lately, you'll what we call float the net. Sometimes you throw the net, this net's got like almost 20 pounds of lead on it. You throw it, so many baits are in there, the net goes down, and then you see the net come back up. It's crazy. Ready?
Yep.
Not as big of a mark. All these guys are coming back to get bait, I think.
Get more.
Nope, that's it.
That's it? Come on.
Yeah, one of the things I like to do when we have so much of this bait is I try to change the water a little bit, or one of the things, if you don't change the water, at least go in there and get this foam. They're all, as soon as you get them, they're pooping in there, okay? So there's all that poop in the water. You may even be able to see it in the water here, little tiny particles there. When all that's in there, they're sucking that in, they're breathing it in. When they get that inside them, they start, it hurts them. It's not good for them. So I try to do a water change, or at least get all this stuff. I'll scoop it all up. I'll show you what it looks like right here. It's pretty nasty.
Yeah,
all that stuff. You gotta think, these kingfish, when they hit the bait, they often miss.
Yeah,
so they snag themselves on that stinger rig, and what it is they get you've got them hooked either foul hooked or in the skin.
Yeah.
So if you put too much pressure on these little treble hooks, you're gonna rip that skin out.
Yeah.
So we got a kingfish on. Scott's going on his rant of heavy mono and all this stuff about how I suck at hooking bait and all that great stuff.
I'll take that for you. Get it out of the way.
Thank you, sir.
Get it away from the boat.
There he goes. Dumping.
And not break them off. We'll have them like that.
Nice kingfish.
George put a
Get ready, get ready. It's a nice king, bro. It's a nice king. Look at him. 20 pounds, bro.
George put a banana.
Let me see that king. That's 20 pounds all day long.
Okay.
This is my first king of the day, probably about 20 pounds. Really nice fish on a live menhaden or pogie.
Let me see that for a second. I could probably, I don't know.
Dude,
which
I
way
can
is it
possibly get it out.
Man, I got that thing gaffed good, don't I?
Like, you literally, that's called the internal gaff. That fish ain't never coming off, bro. You better cut his head off. This is first world problems here. Scott has gaffed his fish so well that we physically can't get the gaff out of the fish.
Hey, we don't want to lose them, right?
Get that
I
gaff
think I gotta just give it a good shake.
Yeah?
And find out which way it is.
There's the hook, there's the hook.
I think it's going that way. It's going
I'm
that way.
trying to get this gaff out of this fish right now. This is a real, this is like a Rubik's Cube out here.
Here, I know how. Grab that hook. See that hook down there?
Yeah. Get it out. No.
Dude.
Here, let me hold this, bro, and okay.
Here, Corey, can you help me here?
Yep.
Get it out.
Yeah,
You got it out?
now it's got to go that way, I think. Yeah.
This is ridiculous.
Yeah.
There we go. We got it out, baby.
Crazy, huh?
Took a solid 2 minutes right there. It's a nice kingfish, though.
Holy.
Good job, Corey.
I knew it was just the way it was. I was like, there's no way we're gonna get that out without doing what I did.
We caught half a dozen kingfish. We have very limited time today, so we're gonna head inshore now and start fishing for snappers. Let him go. Let him do his thing.
Lead him. Lead him. We don't want him right by the boat if possible.
Oh, he ate it. Let me. Close. You got him. Close it.
All
He's
right.
Kobe, dude. We got a Kobe on, baby. Woo! Oh, he's dumping. Corey, that's the biggest Kobe of your life right there, dude.
Oh yeah, by far.
100%.
Check the drag. Tight just a little bit. When you pull slow.
Is there structure down there, Scott?
Or deeper or something. No, you
Kobe's
don't have to
not gonna
worry
break
about
you
it.
off, dude. I see him down there. He's a nice one, dude. Dude, he's 20 pounds, dude.
Yeah.
Come on, Corey. Get him up, dude.
All right.
There's the cobia.
Right. I think it's right there in the corner of his mouth.
Yep, 100%. There we go.
Okay, open your bail.
Oh, baby, we got him.
All right, we got him in the RS net here.
Yeah, baby.
And he's probably keeper, but you
He's
want to make
definitely
sure, you know,
keeper.
he looks like he's over 30, 34 to the fork.
Biggest Kobe of your life right there, buddy.
Woo! Ready for Mr. Kobe to swim up.
Cross.
Oh! Oh! Oh, he's right here. We got snappers everywhere, guys, everywhere. Oh, he piped me. He's got me. I'm gonna let him eat it. I'm gonna let him eat it. There we go. Snapper on. Woo! Now you can't keep these
That's not
snappers
even a
good.
big one.
No, he fought good though.
For that tackle he is, though. Look at that. That's a nice snapper, and he's not any way you want to look at it.
Yep. These things are ravenous out here. There's hundreds of them. Can't keep them though. You gotta let them go. They're protected. So we're gonna take the hook out right now. There we go. Now let him go. Let him eat. Got him, baby. He's got him hooked up. Woo!
Move that down right now.
Oh man.
I'm ready for Mr. Kobe to show
Whoa.
up. Another Kobe.
One more drag on him, dude. He's gonna break you off.
Ooh, sorry.
Hey, come. There you go. You get a big one on there, dude. He ate the bait quick.
Let the bait go completely free line. 'Cause that's what the baits are doing. I'm throwing in the water. Come this way.
Over here, Kobe.
Oh,
You lost him?
popped off.
Popped off.
Oh,
Oh man.
that's what you get when you
Strike one, baby.
horse fish.
Nothing but hook.
Scott challenged me. He said this black debate weighs fat. When you know how to do it right, Scott,
How do you do it right?
you gotta keep the line tight.
That's just a little guy. That's
I know.
a chicken. You call that a chicken?
There, look at that jump he did.
Little puny one.
Okay, you want to see you catch a bigger one?
Yeah, I want to see you catch a big one.
All right, fine, bro. Here.
I want to see you get to the boat in a minute on a big one.
Okay. Well, there he goes. See my leader. Make sure my leader's good so I don't lose him. All right, you want to see a big one, bro? Fine.
Let's see it.
Big one, heavy tackle. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Bigger. Now we're on the same size. You guys saw me catch these in Destin. Red snapper, they're absolutely pretty fish. Corey, you're up next, buddy. Scott's coming up. Got the tongue. See tongue pipe? Look at that tongue coming out, guys. Corey, toss out there. Let's see how long this takes. Real time. This will take, I think, 10 seconds. Let me know when you get a bite.
Got Got 8.
Fish on?
Fish on.
I think that was like 5 seconds, dude. Ooh, we got a fish on. Woohoo! Oh yeah. Burning drag, dude. I need the boat, man. There you go, Corey. You got him, dude. You got him. I see him down there. Here we go. Oh, that's a nice one. Bigger than mine. That's a nice
What
one.
happens? Don't pull them all the way up like that.
Wow, dude, that's your first red snapper ever, man. What do you think about that?
Beautiful fish. Pull so hard.
Let him go. What is that, dude? Olympic belly flip? What do you got there, Scott? What do you got? You
I've
got a
got
shrimp
a-
on there?
Yeah, I've got a Z-Man shrimp.
Toss
Just
it
to-
out there. Let's see if it gets hit.
just to see if it-
Oh, they're gonna hit it. Oh, he got it. He hit it. Oh, it's a big one right there. Big one. He's got it. You got it. You got him. You got him. Fish on, baby. Ate the shrimp, baby. Woo! Oh man,
Oh,
getting burned,
when
Scott.
they're chummed up like that, they'll eat anything.
Scott snapper right there.
Yeah, the Z-Man.
That's a big one, dude. Dude, that's a nice snapper. That's the biggest one of the day.
Got crushed.
Oh!
Was that your fish?
Dude, that was insane. He missed it.
Oh, he ate it right here. He ate it right here.
Fish on?
Fish on.
You're doubled up. Woo. Good one. That's a good one. I gotta try normal.
You guys are almost pumping in unison. Synchronized snapper
This one's
pumping.
really big. Big
Snapper.
Big fish, guys. This one's big. This one is really big.
I don't know. We'll see whose is bigger.
Oh, look at that one.
Oh.
Nice.
Uh-oh. I don't know, bro. I don't know. How big's yours?
Can we come in and see Josh's? Oh yeah, they're both about the same size. Holding up
Look at
next
that
to each
snapper,
other.
guys. That's over 10 pounds right there all day long. Come on, Corey, get him, dude. That one looks bigger. Come on,
Is
give
it?
me the rod. Give me the rod. All right.
Oh, I don't know. I think
They're
Corey's a
twins,
little
baby.
bit fatter.
Look at that snapper, guys. Beautiful fish.
All right,
Let
get
him
him
go.
back in the water. Let him go.
There he goes.
Swims away unharmed, nice and healthy.
Big thanks to this guy right here, guys. Scott Lum. Check him out, man. He is the man. Scott. Dude, you can't let him go like that, bro.
What?
You got the camera soaked. The snapper are everywhere right now. They're on top of the water. I'm gonna put the drone in the air and see what it looks like. Last fish of the day. This is a good one too. Oh, that's a good one. Absolutely. Great fish to end the day with. All right. Oh, there he is. That's the last fish of the day right there. Big thanks to my man Scott Lum. Dude, put us on the fish, guys. Cobia, triple tail, anything you want in Cape Canaveral, this is your guy. Links in the description, check him out. We're gonna let this beautiful fish go. You can't keep these. Hope you guys enjoyed watching, and we'll see you next time.
Blacktip H Fishing is brought to you by Shimano, Frog Tongs, designed for you, created for the outdoors, and Sudacor Nutrition.